motivation to come here is I'm a postmenopausal school teacher, and I noticed that I was looking very tired, and I didn't feel that it was a reflection of my personality.
Well, Dr. Alibhai, I believe, set the bar very, very high when he opened this clinic. This clinic is extremely professional, it's extremely clean, everything is state of the art. And because Dr. Alibhai's expertise is so valued around the globe, it's kind of unique to have that in a small area where I live.
I graduated from McGill Medical School in 1993. I began practicing aesthetic medicine in 2000, so about 12 years ago. I had always had an interest in the skin, I'd always had an interest in aesthetics, and in 2000 I dedicated my practice to cosmetic or aesthetic medicine. I enjoy the field tremendously. I love what I do because I make a difference in people's lives.
I really like the personalized care that I receive here. They could take the time to study the muscles of my face, how my face was expressive. So it's one thing to have the medical background to understand facial function, but to actually see how the muscles on my face work really made a difference. It's created a very natural effect. I'm very pleased that I look more vibrant, peppy, and nothing is too stiff in my face. I look very natural. I'm very happy.
In all the procedures that we perform and that I perform as a cosmetic physician, uppermost in my mind is how I'm going to help my patients feel better about themselves and be more confident and have more self-esteem. The technology has improved dramatically over the past 10 years, and as a result of that, we now have more tools in our kit, and we can deliver better results with more safety and more patient happiness with the results.
I was surprised at how painless it was. We basically sat down in the chair, had a conversation. He asked me to do some expressive figures. I had a frown and raise my eyebrows. And we talked about how Botox would reduce the lines in my forehead. And the treatment took maybe 20 minutes with lots of conversation in between. Afterwards I went and had coffee, so it was just a normal day.
I teach doctors how to inject Botox cosmetic and dermal fillers. I also teach doctors how to inject Botox therapeutically for the treatment of headaches or excessive sweating. And I'm privileged that over my career I've now trained over 900 doctors.
As a school teacher, I rate the experience coming here A+.
The staff are very welcoming. It's a comfortable, easygoing environment. They're very professional.
It's just a great experience to be here. Everything's always first class.
I'm privileged to make a real difference in people's lives, and every day I make people happier and I make them feel better about the way they look and therefore the way they feel. And for me, that's a real privilege.